today is officially 1 week. I know I'm always like approximately 4 or 5 days I haven't washed my hair, or it's been about a week. Today is 1 week since I got my hair done, and I'm gonna wash it. So I'm gonna walk you through what I do, and of course this isn't gonna be in a shower because I'm in my salon, but this is what I do whenever I wash my hair and the products that I do use. So let's go see what I can do. Okay, so typically I like to start with a clarifying shampoo, and then I like to use the second shampoo as the actual shampoo that's going to do the work. So for example, I usually use clarifying to clean my scalp, and then I use hydrate to give me moisture. So today I'm actually going to switch some things up. I got new products in, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to use the clarifying shampoo because I love it, and then I'm going to use the everyday, which is a moisturizing shampoo, but it's all in the blue line this time. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do on washing my hair. So these are my new products. This will be the J Beverly original line. So the ones that I'm going to start with is the clarifying shampoo, and then we're going to mosey on down here, and we're going to use the everyday shampoo, which is moisturizing. So here we go. Okay, so I'm all taped up and I have my towel on, and I wanted to show you guys a little trick before washing your hair, especially with extensions. You're going to want to take a wet brush, and you're going to want to brush through any rats you have in your hair, any matting you have in your hair, because this will make for an easier wash for you. Step 2 is get your hair wet, and bada bing we do. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my shampoo. We're going to start with the clarifier. I'm going to do about 3 pumps because my hair is actually really stinky and gross, and I need to clean it up because I put a lot of product in. So the clarifying shampoo is actually removes buildup on your scalp. So buildup is something you get from products. It's something you get from not cleansing your scalp a lot. It's something from the minerals. So you can get buildup a lot of different ways, even if you don't use products. So I like clarifying shampoo because it just gets everything out there, especially if you're a swimmer, because summer is approaching. You might get chlorine in your hair, and especially people that love to swim as their workout. This is a great product for you to have. I never find that it strips my hair color, so I really like it. So we're gonna do everyday shampoo. We're gonna do about this much. I just got this in, so I'm very excited about it. Here we go. So I'm gonna focus on the ends just to really get that clean. I just got some in my eyeball. That really hurts. Oh my god, it's stinging. That's fine. There we go. It smells like something I know, and I don't know what it is, but it smells really good. So make sure you get in between your rows, people with extensions. So you can see that my hair is actually sudsing this time. So the clarifying was just really cleansing it, so now this really gets the suds going, and I'm actually cleaning my hair. And the extension hair. But I still get attack my scalp because I like a clean scalp. Who doesn't? Especially if it's been 7 days to really get that. And the next thing we're gonna do is I like to do, since I wash my hair once a week, so this is day 7, I'm gonna do a mask. So typically I use the Nourishing Mask by J Beverly Platinum, but today I'm going to use the Hair and Scalp Intensive Treatment. That might be a lot, but I don't care. Okay, so it's my first time using this product. I'm very excited. I'm going to apply I'm gonna get in on my scalp first and then work it all the way through, and then I'm gonna brush my hair with this product through, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, like it says, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying. So now it's all brushed at 6:22. I'm gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes from now. So let's do 11:22. I will come back. So you're gonna see me disappear. So it feels so good on my scalp right now. I'm gonna let it sit for even longer. So I'm actually gonna let this sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. Time to rinse. I actually let this sit for 20 minutes because it made my scalp in here feel really good, and I think it's because of that peppermint. This is what I do whenever I don't wash my hair for 7 days. I like to do double shampoos. So I did a clarifying shampoo to get everything, all the unwanted minerals and buildup off of my scalp and on my hair strand, and then I shampooed twice to really get it clean with the Everyday Moisturizer shampoo. And then I followed it with a treatment or a mask. Typically I use the Nourishing Mask, but today I actually used a new one called the Hair and Scalp Intensive Moisturizing Mask. And that is so that my scalp can be really clean. I have a little bit of dandruff and I don't wash my hair all the time, so I need to get my scalp really clean and moisturized and just kind of relieve it of like the last week's worth of whatever happened. So again, 2 shampoos, 1 mask, and or if you don't have a mask, conditioner, just let it sit for like 20 minutes. The mask I let sit for 20 minutes, but it's only about 3 to 5 minutes long. So there you have it. That is how you wash your hair, especially with extensions. That's what it looks like. So on to blow dry.